Hello and welcome to this video on title tag and meta description optimization in SEO. In this guide, we will be covering the essential elements of title tag and meta description optimization and learn how to optimize them to improve your website search engine ranking. So as in my previous video, we have discussed about what is on-page SEO, and in my previous video, I have also discussed that what is keyword and how to do keyword research. So if you have any question in doing keyword research, then you can ask me. I can create a new video on that. So now we are going to move to the tip number 2, that is optimizing the page. And while we are optimizing a page, we are talking about optimizing the title tag and meta description. So here the first thing that comes is, what is the title tag? A title tag is an HTML tag that specifies the title of the web page. It is displayed on the search engine results as the clickable link to your website. The title tag is one of the most important on-page SEO element, as it tells both user and the search engine about your page. Okay, now let me show you that how does title tag appears on the search engine. For example, here I write site colon the URL of my website. If you see here the blue colored line that is written here, and that is the boost your health and wellness with the best nutritional supplements. So whenever the user come and search for your website, or even if he or she search for the keyword, specific keyword, and your website pops up on that keyword, then the user will see this title. He might click here and will be redirected to your website. So this is the title tag, which is telling the user about your website, and even it's telling the browser also about your website. Now the next thing is that why the title tag is important. As a well crafted title tag can greatly improve your click-through rates to a website. It's the first thing that users see when the search engine when they are searching for a particular keyword or a phrase. A well-written title tag can improve your website reaches. Now the second thing that comes in your mind, that what is the importance of the title tag. So as a well-crafted title tag can greatly improve the click-through rates to your website. It's the first thing that users see when they are searching for a particular keyword or a phrase. A well-written title tag can improve your search engine ranking for the specific keyword or a phrase. For example, if I go and search for Avli nutritional supplements. Okay, now if you see here, I got the URL of my website from here. Whenever the user is searching for that particular keyword in his browser, then he will get these results in his browser. That my website will pop up on his website on his search engine, and he will be able to see the title tag and the meta description first. So he will get an idea of my website, that what exactly I am selling and what exactly he needs. If he found my website helpful for his needs, then he is going to click on this title tag. Even this title tag is telling him what exactly we are doing in our website. So if you see here, we are selling the health and wellness product, and you can say that we are selling the best nutritional supplements. So whenever the user come and see these words here, might be he is searching for the same, and he clicks on this title, and it will results to increase our one visit by that user. And maybe if he found the content helpful for him, he can purchase some product from there and can also increase your sales. Okay, now the third thing that comes in the mind, that how to optimize the title tag. Okay, now to optimize the title tag, you should include your target keyword. Okay, now the third question that comes in your mind is that how to optimize your title tag. To optimize your title tag, you should include your target keyword at the beginning of the tag. Keep the title tag in between 50 to 60 characters to ensure it's fully displayed in the search engine results. Make sure the title tag accurately reflects with the content on the page and is compiling enough through the entice user to click through your website. Now if you see here, this title is not covering the whole sentence here. Okay, now if you see here, we have these three dots in the last, that the title tag is greater than this length. So we need to make sure that our title length should be 50 to 60 characters only. Okay, now to write the title tag you can use the chat gpt, as I have showed that how you can create content using the chat gpt. You can create title tag in meta description for the same. For example, if we go to chat gpt and start creating title tag and meta description for our website. First, we are going to create the title tag and then we will move to meta description. Okay, now as I am in my ChatGPT dashboard, I need to search here for the title tag and I need to make sure that I am giving it the full instructions. Like I am telling it the ChatGPT that I need a title for a max to max 50 to 60 characters, not more than this, and even I'm going to mention my target keyword here. Okay, now let's write the title from here. You need to explain about your website here first so that the chat gpt can give you the required results for your searches. For example, I am writing here, give me a title tag for my website where I am selling nutritional supplements, and then I will mention my title main keyword here. Okay, now see what does it give to us. It says that buy the best nutritional supplements in India, trusted quality. If you want to mention your website name, then you can mention your website name here also. Like you can write here, click on save and submit. Now see, buy the best nutritional supplements in India by Owlin. And you can also create, like for example, if I say give me two more title tags. Now see that get the best quality nutritional supplements from Owlin. Experience the optimal health and the Owlin nutritional supplements India. I think this one is also good. Buy get the best nutritional supplements in India from Owlin. Okay, you can go and change the title tag. Now let me show you that how you can do this thing. First of all, you need to go on your website dashboard. As you all know that how to visit your website dashboard. Go to your website dashboard first and then you need to go on your website pages section. Click on all pages. As we are changing the content as we are changing the title tag for our home page, then we need to go on our home page first. Okay, now I want to mention here that you need to you need to install a plugin that is named as Yoast SEO, or you can use Rank Math as well. As I am using Yoast SEO plugin here. In my upcoming videos, I will show you that how you can use Rank Math also. So if you see, if you go down in this page, you will be able to see these things here. So if you see here, you are able to see that this is the title tag that I have written here, that is SEO title. And then if you go down here, I have the meta description for my piece. You can add your title and you can your meta tag, add your meta description from here. And after doing this thing, you need to go on your Google Search Console account, select your property, and now you need to put your URL here, homepage URL, and then ask here for indexing again, because as we have made some changes in our pages, so we need to make sure that we are going to tell the Google that we have made some changes, please crawl our website. Then Google will come and crawl your website and your changes will reflect on your browser. Now if you see here, it's saying that there is some URL issue, there is some issue in this URL. So we need to fix these issues on time to time. As I haven't checked it, I will fix it as soon as possible. So I hope you are clear about title. Now let's move to the meta description. Now first of all, I need to tell you that what is meta description. A meta description is an HTML tag or attribute that provides a brief summary of a web page content. It is displayed below the title tag in the search engine results. While not a direct ranking factor, a well-written meta description can increase click-through rates and improve your website overall search engine ranking. As I have showed you that it shows below the title tag and it tells more about your website, then it can also help to get some clicks. Even though your title is playing the main role here, note that the description that much, because the user can get the first hit from your title. Okay, you need to make sure that you are creating a high clickbait title. Now how to optimize your meta description. To optimize your meta description, you need to include your target keyword at least once in the description. Keep the keyword meta description between 150 to 160 characters. To ensure this, it's fully displayed on the search results. Make sure that the meta description accurately reflects the content on the web on the page and compiling enough to entice the users to click through your website. Now, I have showed you that how you can edit the meta description. You need to go on chat GPT again and say that give me a meta description for the same. Now see, it's giving me the meta description that Owlin offers the best nutritional supplements in India to achieve your optimal health. Your high quality supplements are designed to meet your unique needs. Soap now and experience the difference. I feel it better than that I have added here. I need to write this. Okay. Owlin. Done. Now you need to click on update first and then go to this Google search console area. Once I'm going to refresh my page first. Okay, now you need to click on request indexing. Now it will ask Google to crawl our website again, and then our changes will be reflected. For example, if I go here and I click here again, then if you see here, we are getting the old meta description yet. But when you will come after a day, then you will be able to see the new description here, as we have changed using this Yoast SEO plugin. So that's it for this guide on title tag and meta description optimization in SEO. By following these simple steps, you will be able to optimize your website title and meta description to improve your search engine ranking and increase your click-through rates. You need to make these changes in each and every page of your website. So make sure that you do all the required changes, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, thank you for watching.